What's up, YouTube? Falcon. We're back today on this cold, chilly Sunday morning. As you can see, my flex is running. You may be able to actually hear it. The cooling fan is actually running right now. I have it turned on to demonstrate that I have a fog light out. I've had it out since like July, and I have not wanted to replace it until I decided to do it now. Why do it when it's warm outside? I don't know. So I got two OEM bulbs from Ford. These are $32 from Ford per bulb, and I will have a link in the description to my Amazon affiliate link where they're $27 per bulb. And I will have a picture overlay that shows the actual part number. So without further ado, let's change these damn bulbs because it's cold out here. All right, folks, we're back underneath. This is the passenger side fog lamp. So as you can see, there's a hole right here. My bumper is cracked. Let's not focus on the nitty-gritty things here. Our fog lamp, the camera's gonna move because of the platform that I'm on, so bear with me. The fog lamp on the passenger side is right here. We're going to turn it this way, 1/8 of a turn to actually pull the bulb out. Now, if yours undercarriage or your under bumper here is broke like mine, you will have a plastic, see this moving plastic piece? You'll have one of those right here. So you may want to remove that. I will show you what it looks like on the driver's side. So back on topic here. We won't be able to see it because my hand's gonna be in the way, but we're gonna grab this, turn it this way, 1/8 of a turn. There is going to be a little stop right here. You're going to want to lift your bulb up and over this to turn it. Otherwise it'll just hit this plastic piece and stop. So we're gonna push up and rotate 1/2 a turn, 1/8 of a turn, not 1/2 a turn. And then here's our bulb. Now this bulb still works, but because this one still works, we're going to hold the bulb with a paper towel. There's two clips right here on the side, one right here, and there's a clip right here. Remove the two clips and it pops down as a bird flies over my head. And it's cold out here, so I'm doing this half-ass backwards. So please bear with me. Oh. Well, son of a bitch. There we go. Pop that out. Wasn't too hard. Now, take your new bulb. Do not touch the bulb with your bare hands. Make sure you have a glove or something, because these are halogen bulbs and you will burn the bulb out prematurely. So you don't want to touch the bulb with your oily hands. See how I'm holding it? Just like that. So now we just carefully clip new bulb into place. New bulb goes up inside. It helps when I can see what I'm doing. Oh, and my hands are cold, and the water tank's right here for the windshield fluid, and it's like cramped, and my hands are fat, and I can't get up in there. Kind of like trying to find the hole here with no visibility. Oh, there we go. Okay. And then we, ouch, hands are cold. One done. This is the driver's side. And as I was talking about earlier, you might have this little splash guard right here on the other side. Mine just happened to break off. This flex is old, by the way. It's only 8 years. Okay, so here, if you look right above my finger, right here, you'll see the green little square rectangle that's the fog lamp for this one. Again, we're going to turn it 1/8 of a turn counterclockwise. So that'd be that way. I'm doing this reverse, so. It's gonna be a tight fit because you have this here. I'm gonna shove my fat hand up in there and see what we can do. Ouch. Or I'm gonna get hurt doing it, one or the other. This is why mechanics have a lift. Oh, look at that, easy peasy. And now you have these clips, one here, one over here. Unclip them, which it is a royal pain in the ass to do. At least it was for me. That and the fact that my hands are cold. And you know when your hands get cold, they start to sting a little bit. And it just becomes a royal pain in the ass to do anything. Oh, you little bastard. Okay. You son of a bitch. Ooh, my hands are cold and putting pressure on this. Now I'm touching this bulb. This bulb is already blown out. This is why we're doing this project. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Son of a man. All right. Oh, this is a little different. Ouch. Don't touch the bulb. Handle it. Handle it with a paper towel, a napkin, a rubber glove, whatever you do, don't touch it. And then we just figured out how it goes back in the hole here. Here it snap, and that's it. And we put this back up in the hole again. Boy, this hole's really hard to find. Okay, we're right there. I can feel it. Oops, I missed. I can barely see it through where I'm at over here. All right. Oh, my hood is getting caught on this stupid plastic thing. That's not sitting right. Oh, my hands are frozen. Oh, and that's it. And that's all we have for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time for watching. If you liked my video, please like. If you like to subscribe, please subscribe. I am trying to grow this channel slowly. Gotta get there. Total time is about 10 minutes, give or take. Very simple job. As you can see, both the driver's side and the passenger side are now working. And you probably hear my flex running in the background because this fan is really loud. It's cold. Windy, my hands are cold. It's time to go inside.